Hey everybody, and today we're gonna make a T-Rex breaking out of the wall, and so you can tape this onto the wall and it'll look like the T-Rex is breaking out. So you can make it any dinosaur and you can color it any color. I'm gonna make it a T-Rex, so here's the materials that you might need. You're gonna need some tracing paper, a black Sharpie, a yellow Sharpie, like a space green, stapler, scissors, and 2 pieces of cardboard. So we're gonna get the 2 pieces of cardboard, and you see this stuff on the back. Well, we're gonna smush that together like this. And then you might need an adult for this part. So you're gonna staple it all over it. 3 staples on each side in the corner and stuff. Maybe for the smaller ones, 2. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab the scissors. You might need an adult for this part too. And then cut it as any dinosaur shape you want. You make it roaring, shining its mouth, meat eater, plant eater. So make it look any dinosaur shape you want. I'm gonna make it a T-Rex again. And then, so if you see the sides not stapled, you're gonna staple that together. And don't put it all over the cardboard, just put it only on the sides. So now we're going to grab the black Sharpie and then draw an eye. And you could put a circle or a line in it. And put a line. And then 2 circles that doesn't meet. And a little mouth like over the staple. Lips, teeth. Like that is the whole face. And then we're gonna draw the nails on the hands. And then draw like little stripes on here. And we're gonna draw a little circle on this eye like that. And then we're going to draw a line under its belly attaching to the end of its mouth. Just like this. So now we're going to start coloring it. So you're going to grab the yellow and then color the line except for the hand. And then when you're done with that, you can grab the green and start coloring the rest of its body. And then I'm going to grab the yellow again and color in his eye. And then you're gonna fold the bottom like this. You just like fold the bottom like that, and then you're gonna grab the tracing paper, put that right there, and then you're gonna staple it on. Just like that. And if you want to, or not, you can draw some cracks on the tracing paper. Like that. So now we're going to color the back. You can do it like a different dinosaur, which would be pretty cool. Or just the same. I'm going to do it the same. And then the craft is done, so you can tape the sides and corners and just attach it to the wall to make it look like it's breaking out. So I know you did great. Bye.